Hello guys, welcome back to the Ghana Travel channel. Now we are going to visit the newly opened station in Thomson East. Okay, so this is the roughly the map of the Thomson East. Okay, so the Woodland North and Woodland already open for several months. Now it's opening the Springleaf, Lantern, Mayflower, Brad Hill, Upper Thomson and Caldecott. Now we are in Caldecott. Okay, later we will explore the Upper Thomson, Brad Hill, Mayflower and Lantern. So this is the map. The Thomson East line connected from the Woodland North until Caldecott station. The extension is still closed. The one connected to the Stevens, this is the next project, still not open yet. Okay, it will also connected to the Orchard. Caldecott is the Circle Line and the Thomson East line. Okay, so you can transfer here to Circle Line. So Caldecott just 2 stations from Bisan and also 1 station to the Botanic Garden. Okay, so the station connect from the Woodland area around the Woodland MRT station down until the Marina Bay, but now only connected until the Caldecott MRT station, the Circle Line. Okay, so now I'm taking the lift in Caldecott station. I think it is quite high, around 3-story high. You see, that's around 3-story high. This is the surrounding area of the Caldecott MRT station. There's a Singapore Association for the Visually Handicapped. Okay, and Lighthouse School, Marymount Convent School, and also several residential area around here. This is the exit directory. Okay, we are going down. So I think this is one of the highest MRT station. Okay, let's see. Looks quite deep. Yeah, looks scary. There's another escalator below the structure. Looks very nice. Okay, now we are in the Upper Thomson MRT station. Okay, so this is the Upper Thomson MRT station, TE8. Okay, now let's see what's around the MRT station. Okay, so this is the map. Okay, Upper Thomson. Around here have several churches, also the preschool, playground, Thomson Plaza. Okay, and here is the McRitchie Reservoir. Looks like it's quite close, but not sure. I think it's around maybe 20-30 minute walk. Around here also the Sin Ming Road. Okay, Sin Ming Road have several industrial area. Okay, this is not as high as the Caldecott station. Looks like it's just 1 floor. I think this is not as big as the Caldecott station. Okay, let's go down and continue our journey. Okay, let's go up again to the Brad Hill MRT station. Okay, it's green. looks like the average traveling time around 1.5 minutes. Okay, this is the Brett Hill MRT station. Okay, you can see the decoration. Okay, this is the exit directory. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 exit here. So for example, if you want to go to the Aitong school, you can go to exit 3. Maybe the famous place to visit is this Kuan Meng San Temple. So this is one of the famous Buddhist temple in Singapore. Okay, you can go there by exit 2. Okay, this is the explanation. Okay, if you see the interchange code, meaning that you can change between the red line to the green line. This one also changing line, but this one you need to tap out, meaning you need to go out first, then tap in again. Okay, now we are currently in the Thomson East Coast Line. Okay, you can also download the map and the fare calculator. You can just scan the barcode. Okay, so this is the exit sign. See, the way out is very clear. This is the Brett Hill MRT station. There is the Mandarin, Kuan Meng San. Okay, I think we will continue our journey. Okay, now we are going to the Mayflower MRT station. Looks like it's quite crowded. This is the Mayflower MRT station. The Chinese name is Mayfa. Okay, so let's walk around. Looks like it's also not too high, around 2 story high, I think. Let's go up. There's a bird inside the MRT station. I think the decoration looks like a beehive. Yeah. Okay, so this is the map. Okay, Mayflower MRT station. There's here have the Kebon Baru CC. Okay, community club and also residential area. This one, the number is the residential HDB. Ang Mo Kio Avenue 4, Church. There's exit 1 until 7, exit 6. It looks like this place have a lot of exit. Yeah, until 6, until 7. Okay, let's go down again. Yeah. If you like to exercise, you can take stairs. Okay. Quite high. I want to go in front, but looks like it's always crowded. Some people also taking picture. Okay, this is the map in the Lantau MRT station. So this is the Lantau MRT station. Okay, around here I think this is around the Ang Mo Kio area. There's the hospital, Yio Chu Kang Garden. Okay, this one have CC and also residential area. The exit directory. Exit 4 is the primary school. Tai Hwa Kwan Hospital is exit 4. Okay, and the cathedral is exit 5. The MRT is coming. I hope there's not much people in front.
Please do not lean against the train doors. Next station, Spring Chunye.
Menaiki pengangkutan awam dan juga menjaga kebersihan diri dengan kerap membasuh atau bersih.
Okay, there's a Springleaf Nature Park. Okay, this one is exit 1, exit 2, exit 3. Very clear. This one is the bus stop, 2 bus stop, taxi station. We are thinking to go to the Springleaf Nature Park now. Okay, let's go. I hope it's not raining. Okay, it's raining, so I think I just go around the Springleaf area. There are several eating places around here. Okay, the first one is this Ampang Yong Tohu. Okay, this is the exit, and this is the Yong Tohu. Ampang Yong Tohu is quite famous in Singapore. Sometimes I also try, but I never try in this branch before. Okay, I think we will explore around that area. So this one is the Hong Yi Herb Bak Kut Teh. Looks like it's also quite crowded. Okay. Okay, this is for the Bak Kut Teh. And this is the Merah Prata. So if you like Indian food, you can come here. Okay. And this is for Mookata. This one is Mookata. It's a barbecue. Okay. Smells good. Okay, this is the Mongkok Dim Sum. Gelang Lorong 9 Beef Kway Teow. This is the menu. And this is German restaurant and bar. Nice. This is more for beer. Oh, this is also the MRT exit. Okay, so this is on the other side. Okay, this is the Hans. I think this is the some kind of food court. Springleaf Prata Place. Okay, according to the Google Map, the 3 famous one is this Springleaf Prata, the Mookata, and also the Ampang Yong Tohu. Okay, so we decided to eat at the Bak Kut Teh. Okay, so this is the menu. Okay, the herbal Bak Kut Teh, the braised pork trotter. Okay, there's also the mixed Bak Kut Teh. Okay, all around $550. Okay, peanut tofu. The youtiao you need to pay for $1. Next is the prawn noodle, pork rib, prawn noodle, mee siam, sesame oil chicken. Okay, this is the bread, coffee, also the drinks, all for $150. Okay. Okay, our order arrived. So we ordered 2 Bak Kut Teh with 1 youtiao and 2 rice. Okay, and also a drink. It is around $15. Yeah, it's around $15. So this is the Bak Kut Teh. Not a big portion, but yeah, quite okay. And this is the youtiao and rice. Actually, there are 2 types of the Bak Kut Teh that is available in Singapore. Okay, this is the herbal type. The other one is the pepper type. So pepper type is like the Songfa Bak Kut Teh, if you heard about it before. And this one is herbal, so the taste is different. So from the time we order until the food is here is around 20 minutes maybe. So this food is suitable when you eat during rainy season. So now we are going back.
Attention please. For your safety, please hold on to the handrails.
Okay guys, I think that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I posted a new video. I will put information in the description below. So maybe it will help you to know more about the MRT in Singapore. Okay, thank you.